Hi, my name is Sinead Morell and I'm the Customer Engagement Manager here at AQA. This video is a guide to help you with entering your students' grades onto our grade entry portal. As you know, this summer's exams have been cancelled and students will instead be awarded calculated grades. The process for doing this has been set out by Ofqual. Centre users will need to enter a grade and a rank for each student. We've designed the system this way to limit the opportunity for error with data inputting and data management. Our system ensures you'll have a grade and a rank order for each student that's entered and guarantees that the grade is from the specific set available and a full set of grades is submitted, and the rank order at each grade is free of duplicates. You can find the URL for this site on the email you'll receive when you register. The Centre Administrator will set up an account for you. Please speak to them if you have any issues with receiving your email. In order to log in, you'll need to use two-factor authentication by entering a code, which will be sent to your phone. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. You will see all the subjects you are responsible for listed. When you select a subject, you will see a list of all the students entered for that subject. You can then begin entering grades, rank orders, and endorsement grades for each student. Please remember to save regularly to avoid losing any work. You can filter students so they show up in a different order. You can do this by grade or rank. In order to check that you have not made any errors with the data, please click the Validate button. This will highlight any issues, such as duplicate ranks or incomplete students. When complete, please hit the Submit button to return the grades to your Centre Administrator. The submission window is open from the 1st of June until the 12th of June. You can find more support and guidance through the links on your screen. Thank you for your hard work this summer, and be assured that we're working to make sure that young people still achieve the qualifications they need to progress to the next stage of their lives.